loves, bonjour, mabuhay, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, hi, my name is Roma and welcome. For all of my returnee subscribers, hi, welcome back. Thanks for tuning in once again. And for those of you who aren't subscribed yet, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell. That's where you can get notified every time I upload a brand new video. So for today's video, I am going to do a first impression video of the latest slides that I have purchased. So if you are interested, just stay tuned. Hi guys, so for today's video, I am actually going to make a first impression video about the very last slides that I've purchased, which are the Chloe Woody sandals in white. So I actually did an unboxing video of these slides that I am going to put on the card just right up there, as well as in the description down below, so you can check it out. So here are the slides that I just got a few days ago, actually, well, weeks ago. First and foremost, I've purchased this at a third-party website, which is from Net-a-Porter. There you go. So these slides arrived in this box that was in this box. So at first I wanted to buy the sandals at the Chloe online boutique because I always prefer to buy them in the in their online boutique, because at least I know that, you know, all the stocks are available and so on. Well, if I'm lucky, all the stocks are available. But the thing is, once I have put them on the basket, then I checked, there was this shipping fees, and it was around 13 euros 50 at that time. And to be honest, it's not, I mean, it's okay if I have to pay some shipping fees, but for a brand like Chloe, which is also a luxury brand, and for the price that I am paying them, I think there shouldn't be any shipping fees, because from some other brands, luxury brands, less than this amount. So this one, I think I've paid it for 295 euros. So from other brands, less than 295 euros, there aren't any shipping fees. So I was like, okay, bummer, I will try to find this pair my size, which is actually, my size is size 36. There you go. So for this slides, I chose the size 36. I'll explain afterwards why. And I've checked on Farfetch, My Teresa, Luisa Villaroma, they don't have any Chloe, I think so, 24S, and none of them has the size 36. And then I was like, oh, there's another website also, and that was the Net-a-Porter, and the only available size that they have in this color, because I really wanted this one, they have the 36. And then I picked that up, put it in the basket, and no shipping fees. So I was like, perfect, I'll do that. But just to let you know, I was so stressed because I have ordered them on the 28th of June, and I was like, oh my god, in 3 days time, the 1st of July here in Belgium, there are some changes concerning the VATs, the shipping, handling, customs, and so on. And I think there was, like, you know, a big boom on those fees, and I was like, oh my gosh, I hope that it will not arrive on the 1st, so that I wouldn't have to pay more because of the customs and so on. And most especially this one came from UK, so there's, you know, the Brexit and everything. But luckily for me, at Net-a-Porter, when I checked everything, all the prices are on the final price. So everything has been calculated. They arrived through DHL, if I'm not mistaken, yeah, and everything has been already, you know, all the final price has been calculated. And what you know, lucky for me, it arrived on the 30th of June, so it just took 2 business days for it to arrive here from the UK to Belgium. So there you go. So I've purchased them through Net-a-Porter, and I got the black box because I wanted it to be wrapped. That's why I received it in a black box, which is really, wow, perfect. I mean, it's really high-end black box, and without any shipping fees. Now, going on to the size, why I chose the 36. Just a quick reminder, on the Hermes Oran as well as the Gucci Princetons, my foot size are 35.5. Because I really have a very small feet and narrow feet as well. So for those kind of slide sandals whatsoever, I really have, you know, I have to choose between 35 or 35.5. But with this one, I went to the 36, and luckily for me, I searched through YouTube and everything, blogs and everything. A lot of people advise to size up. I've heard that people say, yeah, if you have slim feet, you have to size down. If you have larger feet, you have to size up. Well, on my side, I have a very narrow feet and small feet. I still sized up. Why? Because I wanted my foot to be inside this, you know, this, I don't know how you can tell it, the seams. I don't want my feet to be, you know, at the edge. I want them to be inside the seams, and so that it will be, you know, a lot nicer when you look at it. And also, since our feet swells also during the day, if it's just very tight, I don't think the 35, and anyways, they do not do half sizes. So if your feet are half sizes, you have to go up. So my option was to go down size 35 or at 36. I think 35 will be no way for that, especially like I've mentioned, if your feet swells. And also just to let you know, this canvas doesn't stretch, so it means that you might have, I've heard a lot of people that the first time they use this, they have blisters and everything. So I think that I will try to break this slides by just using them, let's say, where I know that I will not walk a lot. Let's say I'll take the car, go to a friend's place, stay at their place, you know, sit, walk a bit and such, but not like what I did with my Hermes Oran. And by the way, if you want to check my review about that, I'm going to put the card just right there, so you can check that out after this video if you want to. I hope so. So I think I'm going to break this first, so that I won't have any blisters, because I heard a lot of people that, yeah, they have blisters because they use it for the whole day and so on and so forth. So yeah, so that's the reason why I took that 36. Of course, for those of you who have the opportunity to try them, and if you have a boutique at your place, because here in Belgium, unfortunately, we do not have any Chloe boutique, and I think the nearest one are in Germany or in France or in the Netherlands. Well, nowhere in Belgium anyways. So I was really just relying on the reviews of those who have already purchased this, and lucky for me that I followed the upsizing. And then just going to show you how this looks like. I also saw in one of the videos, a lot of people apparently says that, yeah, it's so, you know, so small, because people sometimes apparently, well, that's weird though, they forgot to take off, you know, the cardboard. So just don't forget to take that off. And then inside it looks like that. So this is actually, people call this, well, it is called the woody sandals because it looks like wood, but it's not wood. It's, I think, something plastic or whatsoever, or I'll put the name here. So yeah, so I really don't know how it will goes well when I used it, so I'm going to make a video for that afterwards to really give you my thoughts about this. And then, but other than that, yeah, this is how it looks like. I chose the beige one with the black writing because I think it's very summery, and since I have a lot of dark slides already, it's good to have something, you know, a pop of brightness. And then this is a small cushiony pad for the heels. When I've tried them, it was really soft. I hope that it will stay soft when I'll be walking as well, so that, yeah, it helps apparently. And then what I like about this also is the shape, the toe shape, so it's quite unique. I'm going to show some one shots of how it looks like on my foot. And yeah, to be honest, I was really wanting these slides since 2019, and I bit the bullet this year. There you go. So yeah, that is my first impressions of the Chloe wooden sandals. Also, the impression that I had with buying them through Net-a-Porter, and the size also, and the color. So yeah, there you go. So I hope that you have liked this video and it was helpful for some of you. And if that's the case, don't hesitate to leave a comment in the comment section down below. Let me know what you think about the video, and if you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It will really help my channel. And again, for those of you who aren't subscribed yet, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. And I will give you an update of this slides in a few months or in a year, and I will let you know what I think about them. So there you go. So I hope that you've enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you on the next one. So until then, take care and see ya. Bye.